What's up? It's me. If you're new to my channel, then hi, my name is Melanie, and in today's video, I am going to be unboxing my new now. I got these off of eBay. They were $84 plus tax, and the tax was $7 for me, so I spent $92, I believe, on these. But they took a week to get here. I ordered them on December 1st, and today is December 8th. So it has been 7 days. But I also ordered them on a Friday, so it may just depend on what day you order it. But yeah. So I did have AirPods before I got these ones. They're actually right here. Or it's actually right here. I only have one because my sister lost it. And I also had other AirPods of this generation. It's the third generation, the AirPod Pro's third generation. And I lost them when I was getting out of the car because my mom was playing music really loud. And it was 7 in the morning, and I was trying to get out of the car really fast because she was playing music loud, and I was trying to turn it down. But she just wasn't turning it down, so I was trying to get out of the car fast because I don't like attention being drawn on me. It's one of my, it's just, I'm really introverted and I don't like people staring at me because I'm non-controversial, but if you're staring at me, I'm gonna look at you because why are you looking at me? I lost those ones, so I had to order some new ones. My sister did buy me those ones because she lost that one, but I ended up losing the case. I still have the AirPods, and before you guys are like, why didn't you just get a replacement case? I didn't know those were a thing, okay? I checked on Apple and they didn't have them, so I just assumed that they didn't exist. But then I looked it up, and Walmart sells them for $60, I think, around that price. But yeah, so it comes in a white box, but when you open it, it comes in its original packaging. Don't worry, they just do that to protect it, I'm pretty sure. See? They come in the original packaging, brand spanking new, not even open yet. I'll leave it linked in the description where I got them from so that you know, because if you're looking for new AirPods and you want them for a good price, these guys, just what you're looking for. So let's go ahead and open them up. Let's do some ASMR, yeah. I didn't know those were a thing, okay? I checked on Apple and they didn't have them, so I just assumed that they didn't exist. But then I looked it up, and Walmart sells them for $60, I think, around that price. But yeah, so it comes in a white box, but when you open it, it comes in its original packaging. Don't worry, they just do that to protect it, I'm pretty sure. See? They come in the original packaging, brand spanking new, not even open yet. I'll leave it linked in the description where I got them from so that you know, because if you're looking for new AirPods and you want them for a good price, these guys, just what you're looking for. So let's go ahead and open them up. Let's do some ASMR, yeah. Let me get my headphones. I forgot to mention that I also have some cases right here. I have 2 more over there, but those are for the regular AirPod Pros. And I didn't realize that these AirPods and AirPod Pros are not the same size. But yeah, let's go ahead and do some ASMR. So let's go ahead and peel it off. Do some tapping. Okay, that's enough. Yeah, that's nice. Sorry if you guys can hear the cars driving by, my windows open. Okay, let's do the bottom one now. Okay, there we go. Got just wait for the airplane to pass by because it's rudely interrupting me right now. Okay. Oh, now there's cars coming. Okay. Let's go ahead and peel this side. Oh, yeah. That's that good. Now, when I first got these, I was skeptical at first because I'm like, well, I mean, when I first got them, I was like, I mean, people are like really good at making replicas and stuff, so I wouldn't be surprised if they were fake, but I'm pretty sure they're real. They definitely seem like they're legit, so, and they have MagSafe charging and like wireless charging and all that, so I'm pretty sure that's what MagSafe is. Okay, let's open it. Designed by Apple in California. I missed them. Oh my gosh. They're so cute. Okay. This is them. Ooh. Oopsie. This is them. Just a little AirPod. And I actually collect these boxes. I have like 3 of just the normal regular AirPod boxes because I used to lose my AirPods a lot. Anyways, let's go ahead and peel the plastic off. But look, as I was saying, they are the same size. These ones are just the slightest bit bigger, but they're pretty much the same size. Oh, I'm taking it off wrong. Oops. It comes off this way first. Oof, they're so clean. That is what they look like. Now, I know they look really big, but I promise you they're actually not really that big. I know they look it, but they're not. They're literally the same size as the AirPod Pros, except if you take the speaker off or the styrofoam thing or the silicone ear buffer thing. I don't know what it's called, but set those down. At the bottom of the box, it comes with a charger. Which I am going to save because I have plenty of chargers that I just have a collection of. Like, I literally just have a collection of chargers. And then I'll put this with my other AirPod gift box. Okay, it's not really closing, but it's fine. So I'm just gonna put this back. That is the wrong way. That's probably why it wasn't fitting, but oh well. Put it that way. Put it back in the box. But yeah, these are the AirPods. They're very nice. Very, very nice. Beautiful. And these are the 2 cases I have. This one is my favorite case. It's a little ghost case. It's super cute. I love it so much. And it glows in the dark, which I think is freaking adorable. Now, this is the case I normally keep on my AirPods, but I decided, the one day, I decided to switch out the case for something else. I literally lost the case. Now, I like these AirPods the case because they have these little clip things, and I never lose them because I have the clip on. But I decided that I was going to put my AirPods in my ears, and then I was going to clip it back onto my pants, but I didn't do that, and I was rushing to get out of the car. Sorry, my sister's texting me. But yeah, so this is a cute little ghost case. This is my favorite case. I had a little Boba Cow case. I have one over there that I can show you, but I'm not gonna because I don't feel like grabbing it. This one is super cute too. This is a little duck, but I'm probably not gonna put it on because it's not as thick as that one. And I like thick cases because then my AirPods are not as hard to lose. Okay. So here is the duck case. Here's the cute little ducky, or a chicken. And there's the AirPods. I think this is very nice, actually. They're so clean. These are super cute. But I'm probably not going to use the case, like I said, because I don't want them to get lost. I don't know, maybe I will, because the case is super cute. Anyways, that's it. So just a quick little short video. So if you guys enjoyed it, make sure you like and subscribe down below because that'd be greatly appreciated. But if not, then thank you for joining me. And I'm sorry you hated my video so much. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.